Okay, let's see if we can get this one in. So if I try and line up on the grill all the way that way, which it is, that is looking quite close. Okay, I'm going to drill those other two out and then we can get those. Just swap that around so all the silver heads are in there. There's none of the black nuts in there because I don't think they're going to be as good at withstanding temperature. So we've now got the workings of a viable barbecue. One thing I have noticed that we'll need to address is the lid is very heavy, so we're going to have to put some kind of support up there for the lid. Let's just pop the tray in. And let's pop the grill on. And that's it, coming together. Discovered a design flaw with this. Just put some more bolts in the hinges. Looks a bit grim, but it's functional. When you open the lid, obviously the lid weighs quite a lot, so how are we going to stand it up? I'm going to mount the barbecue on here, put some holes in the bottom of it, I'm going to put some long screws through and actually screw it to this. So let's see how we get on with that. So I've only got pilot holes in the bottom of it, which aren't big enough for the screws yet. I need to drill the holes out a little bit in the barrel. Okay, so neither of those are big enough yet. Proving to be more difficult than I thought this. Okay, that was semi-successful. We have secured it to the top. A couple of concerns about heat. I'll have to see how hot it gets. Fixed at the front, but it still leans forward. I need to get a fixing at the back, the same as that, so the base is secure. And I need to put some wire just to stop the lid going further back than that, just so it doesn't strain it. Hinges are working okay like that. Just need to stop it overreaching. So let's get working on that. Right, I've made quite a lot of progress on this now. The base is bolted to that wall. What I will need to do is to find some kind of cord to put on the lid, just so it doesn't go past 90 degrees. The hinges look horrible, but they're quite secure, and I've had to adapt the grate. I've fixed those nuts in place now. Would have been much easier with a welder, but I've had to use screws, and that allows me to raise and lower the coal bed. I've just put a couple of slots in there so I can lift it up. I'll lower it on both sides depending what I want to do with the coal. So yeah, I'm going to call that finished to a degree. I need to get some wire to just make sure that doesn't go past 90 degrees and then give it a go, but I think we're looking good. Okay, so it really is coming on now. We've got a bit of a handle, we've got the coal tray up and down, the grill fits and it's fixed. Just need to get that wire sorted, and I might put a bit more wood on that, and then it's good to try. So we got coal, it's lit. Let's see how we get on with the first barbecue. Only got a few burgers just to try it out with. Let's see how we get on. So we've got the grill on there. It's looking good. Just got to let that settle down and get some burgers on. It's looking okay. Got some burgers on there. I think the bed is a little bit low. I've raised it to the top height, but they have only just gone on there, and the coals don't look to be sort of lit evenly. I might not have given them long enough, but let's see how we get on. And that's it. Burgers cooking on the barbecue. So it's a success. Thanks for watching.